Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pawan Kumar, representing Young India Fraternity, a student NGO and an NPO. First of all, let me congratulate my new members and my team who have come here to visit this event. Being here today on this day is a product of immense effort and dedication by my team. So, I thank you all for this wonderful support which you have given to us. So before I tell you about my NGO, I wanted to enlighten you something about service. I asked many people, what is service? What is service? So I got a number of answers from each and everybody. So some said like this, I'll tell you. A service is a volunteer in some NGO or a church. Some people have said like this. And giving money to a charity and participate in some annual beach cleaning campaign, etc. etc. Today, I want to challenge you all to know the actual meaning of service in front of you. Can anyone tell? I request anyone from the audience, can you tell what is service in your own words? Please. Any hands? Okay, let me tell you, service is not a single thing or a single event. It is not a collection of money or a fundraiser event or a social event or a field trip with your friends that you attend because it is just a fun. And to the contrary belief, populist belief, it's not something that you do just because you look good in your college or a curriculum vitae of yours. So service is a sincere gift to yourself, to others. You get what you give. A true service happens all the time, anywhere, and has no visible benefit to yourself. On this occasion, let me quote the famous quote of M.K. Gandhi, once said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." And let me tell you, I urge you all to stop complaining about government, about the loopholes of the government. When you have the dedication to do, why to depend on the government? See, on this occasion, I want to quote the famous saying of John F. Kennedy, an ex-president of the United States of America, once said to his fellow Americans, "Ask not what your country can do for you. Instead, ask yourself what you can do for your country." So, this is the mindset of the people, of the young people who have to think upon this issue. If this is possible, India would have been a developed nation by now. And this is possible only by the young and dynamic youth who are sitting in front of me right now. And so get out there and challenge yourself to the service of the country to the highest capacity. Now coming to our NGO, Young India Fraternity. We are a group of students from various engineering colleges and degree colleges also. And we organize meetings on every first Sunday of the month. We plan events, what to do and what not to do. And we go into the service and we do famous events like pollution, prevention of pollution, upliftment of women, and whatnot. All the events which almost every other NGO will be doing. But we are a group, we do all these activities. We are not entitled to only a single particular event. So now I conclude my speech by echoing the same foresight statement of John F. Kennedy to his Americans, to our fellow Indians. So I tell you, ask what we can do for India and do what has to be done to India, what America and other Western nations are today. Let us do what India needs from us. Thank you.